Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on sticky keys function in our Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for it and how to turn it on. First of all, we need to go to settings. Then we are looking for accessibility options menu. Next, in interaction and dexterity, when we scroll all the way down, we have our sticky keys function. So what does it do? When you press a modifier key like Shift, Control or Alt, it will stay pressed so you can enter keyboard shortcuts one key at a time. We can turn it on right here, and now we can safely go back to our home screen. There is no need to save, our settings is now saved. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.